Shaitan teaching this, and whole countries, including Muslim territories, they are building universities, higher schools for graduating PhD people. But they are not saying even any word about that one, that he is from beginning out to end, from pre-eternal up to eternal. He is most glorious or glorious one in divinely present. Never teaching, even Muslims. How Muslims they are those people? They are not Muslims. Who is not teaching about the zero prophets, Sayyidina Muhammad, who he is, who he was, who he is going to be. فَلَمْ يَعْرِفُوا رَسُولَهُمْ. They are not knowing mankind who had been sent to them with last message, with last messengership. Allahu Akbar wa lillahi alhamd. Therefore, it is first obligatory, you must know him, or you must try to know about him as much as you can.